today I'm going to be teaching you on how to install Atom on your Mac. Well, when basically you want to download Atom, and by the time you download that, when you try to run some codes, it probably gives you some errors and stuff like that. But here I'm going to teach you fully how to install Atom on your laptop for Mac. So basically, you go to Google and you type in Atom download for Mac. Yeah, so the first link that comes out, you click on it, Atom. So then you click on download directly. So the download starts. When download is true, so then you basically go to Atom. You open Atom. Let me just quit this first. So then you open Atom. Just can wait for that to load. So now, when Atom is open, so then what you're going to do is that you're going to go to File, then you click on Open New File. By the time you open a new file, yeah, and you want to run like C++ codes like hashtag include iostream. From here, you know that you ain't doing things right. So basically, what you do is that first you save it as a .cpp file. So we are going to write like food .cpp. Yeah. So then after that, then click using namespace std int main, then return the value to 0. Yeah. So then let's say you want to print out something like um I love tomatoes. Then close it. By the time when you want to compile and run on your Mac, first time you might not know how to compile and run, but you just do that by basically pressing F5. But F5 for some laptops, for your Mac laptop, is used to decrease the brightness. So to enable F5 for to compile your code, you just open your settings on your Mac, then you write keyboard, then you go to keyboard. So then you click. So this will be unchecked before. So you check this. Use F1, F2 keys as standard function keys. So then you close that. Then probably when you run the code, you will get an error surely because you haven't downloaded the GPP compiler. So you go to Chrome, search for GPP compiler for Atom. So immediately when you click on this link, so then you click on install. Immediately you're through installing, it will direct you to your Atom immediately and the G++ compiler will be installed. Please make sure you like and subscribe and share with your friends if they are having any other problem with installing Atom on their Mac. So I'll leave you with the comment section to tell me any of your complaints if you have any problems with installing Atom. Thank you.